Stop leaking! Right. Hello and welcome back to my TVR. And yeah, it's raining. TVRs are not meant to be great in the rain. Two reasons. A, they rot. The chassis underneath is well known for rotting when it gets very wet. But obviously that won't happen in a few drives in the rain because, you know, they're not built like that. It's not that bad. But you know, I'd rather not get it that wet. The body of the car is fiberglass, so that's not going to rust. But yeah, underneath. My dad's Chimera was sold as a non-runner. The whole chassis was just rotten, and yeah, that's what can happen. The second reason is they're not very safe. Now obviously this is not unique to TVRs, but the kind of car that you wouldn't want to drive in the rain is like one of these. Rear wheel drive, no traction control or anything, V8, quite old. I'd rather not be driving this, but I wanted to go to a car show. Typical me, eh? Typical car people.
In a quarter of a mile.
The car show that's what I'm on my way to is called Icons by the Lake. Now I went to their first one, which was incredible. Tons of amazing supercars turned up, and despite the weather, hopefully this one will be rather good too. They were fully booked up, all 300 cars, but obviously because of the weather not all of them are going to turn up. The car show is in Virginia Water, but I am on my way to Peacock Farm in Bracknell, which is where normally a monthly TVR meet is held, and it's also hosts the location of a convoy of TVRs and maybe a couple of other things as well. But again, I don't know how many will turn up because this weather is just dreadful. Oh! Seems to leak a bit as well. That's good! Ha! Now at least it's not turbocharged, because some kind of turbo lag, that would be even more dangerous in the wet.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Oh my god! Oh, is that a TVR?
Arriving at Peacock Farm.
Let's see if there's any other TVRs here yet. No, I'm the first. Okay. There's the Esprit, if you can see. Oh, another TVR. I wouldn't mind that loud. Right, let's go. Sorry about the mistiness. I'll put the window down a bit. So we've got a TVR Chimera, quite a loud one at the front, then a TVR Griffith 500, and a Lotus Esprit V8. So all V8s, what we want. What I was saying earlier about turbochargers and not wanting to have a turbocharged car in this weather, well, that Esprit is turbocharged and a V8, so probably be even more dangerous than my car. Here we are, Virginia Water, with lots of umbrellaed photographers at the gate. I've just spotted a Zonda, brilliant. Zonda, Zonda, Zonda.
I like the fact that
this is an earlier version of my car. It's got a V6 rather than a V8 hardtop, quite a rare car. TVR Tasman 280i, and that is loud. Probably the same as my dad's one when he had a car. It seems cars are leaving. I'm gonna go to the exit. I think. Oh, there's caution. Go to the exit. Yeah. It's gonna crash. It didn't crash, it's a miracle, it's a Christmas miracle. I'm definitely filming it. Are you filming it? I'm filming it.
I'm not filming it.
You're not filming it?
No.
Oh, you're not filming it? Why aren't you filming it?
It's quite good, isn't it?
It is quite good. See? Yes, attention grabbing. And that was pretty much the end of that. So it was great to see the whole collection of supercars in the rain. You don't often see them in the rain, obviously, so it's great to see like Koenigseggs and Spikers and weird things like that chancing the weather. It's raining again. It did sun up. It got sunny. Yeah, it's raining again for the way home, which is fantastic. I hate rain. So I hope you enjoyed the video.